Fear is a natural and powerful emotion that can help us survive and protect ourselves from danger. But fear can also be our greatest challenge and foe. Fear can prevent us from living our full potential and achieving our dreams. Fear can make us doubt ourselves, avoid risks, procrastinate, and settle for less than we deserve. Fear can steal our happiness and peace of mind. But fear is not something that we are doomed with. Fear is something that we can conquer and transform. Fear is something that we create in our minds, and that we can also change with our minds. Fear is not a fact, it is a feeling, and feelings can be changed. How can we change our feelings of fear? By facing them, questioning them, replacing them, and acting on them. By facing them, we recognize them and name them. We confess that we are afraid, and we state what we are afraid of. We understand that fear is not a sign of weakness, but a sign of courage. It means that we care about something and that we want to do something about it. By questioning them, we challenge them and examine them. We wonder if they are based on facts or assumptions, if they are rational or irrational, if they are helpful or harmful, if they are serving us or limiting us. We balance the pros and cons, and we see if the benefits outweigh the costs. By replacing them, we find something more positive and empowering, something that motivates us and inspires us. Something that gives us confidence and hope, something that makes us feel good and excited. We find our passion and purpose, and we focus on our vision and goals. We find our strengths and talents, and we use them to create value and impact. We find our allies and supporters, and we seek their help and feedback. By acting on them, we take action despite our fear, and we use it as a catalyst for growth and learning. We step out of our comfort zone, and we embrace new opportunities and challenges. We experiment and try new things, and we learn from our mistakes and failures. We celebrate our successes and achievements, and we reward ourselves for our efforts and progress. We persist and persevere, and we never give up on our dreams. Fear is not something that we have to live with forever. Fear is something that we can conquer with courage, wisdom, positivity, and action. Fear is not our enemy, it is our teacher. It teaches us about ourselves, about others, and about life. It teaches us what matters most to us, what we are capable of doing, and what we need to improve on. So let us not let fear stop us from living our best lives. Let us not let fear limit our potential and possibilities. Let us not let fear control our destiny and happiness. Let us conquer our fear, and let us unleash our power.
Thank you for watching. For more motivational video, do subscribe our channel.